Tell me about a time when you improved a process. Now, this question is being asked to assess innovation and ownership in your ability to take action to help your employer improve. I recommend you give us a specific situation when you notice an issue or inefficiency at work before taking positive action to improve the system or process. Here is a brilliant example answer. Tell me about a time when you have improved the process. In my previous role, I identified the inefficiency in the office supply ordering process. All team members could order items independently, which resulted in frequent overordering, unnecessary costs, and wasted resources. After discussing my concern with my manager and gaining approval, I designed and implemented a simple but effective Excel tracking system. This spreadsheet required staff to log when supplies were taken and assign minimum stock levels so I could reorder only when necessary. In addition to this, I researched and negotiated with the supplier who offered lower minimum order quantity and competitive pricing. As a result of this improvement, we can significantly reduce waste, improve the stock control, and save the company approximately $3,000 per year while ensuring the essential supplies were always available. That's a great answer. You have taken initiative to improve your process that has benefited the company financially.